Okay, so when we talk about the pump, so this is the image you can see. Simply, simply pump is used to move the fluids through pipes and other channels. Simply that is the major working of pump, and it is used in the water pump, fuel pump, and industrial processes. Like in the IoT, smart pumps can monitor and provide real-time information on a pump's health, performance, pressure, temperature, water velocity. And this data can help predict when a pump needs to be repaired and replaced. Those things can be actually monitored with the help of IoT inside the pump. So, multiple pump in a warm system, IoT based pump monitoring system can also help in the optimization of the pump performance and reduce downtime and increase work productivity and efficiency. An IoT based pump, okay, if I talk about the IoT based pump monitoring system, is a network. It is a network of connected devices that monitor and analyze the performance of the pumps in the real time. Okay, so simply the next one is the valve. So the next one is valve. Here you can see image. So it controls the flow of the fluids or the gases, and it is used in plumbing system, industrial processes, and automotive systems. If I talk about IoT, so the IoT has made valves smarter, more efficient, and more reliable. IoT enables valve are also known as smart valves. When you use the IoT enabled valves, they are known as smart valves and can monitor and control valve operations. Like remote monitoring and controlling can be done, leak detection can be done. So, with the help of IoT smart valve, a lot of things can be done. And IoT smart valves present a unique breakthrough in the process of valve industry, enabling online monitoring even control and management of various processes which allow immediate response for safety events, machine learning and optimization, along with machinery and equipment protection, device tracking, and additional functionalities. Then displays. So display is simply the display. There are multiple kind of displays, and when we talk about the display, it present the information visually. Display for the IoT can be like there are many forms of the displays which can be used in the purpose of the IoT, like TFT LED, TFT LCD, then OLED, EPD, LED. So there are so many types, and it is used in smartphone, computer, and industrial control panels also. TFT LCD, if I talk about, that is thin film transistor TFT LCD, and TFT LCD simply are backlight and have good color reproduction, you can say, making them suitable for computer monitors and automotive devices. And the TFT LCDs also have a high resolution, color accuracy, and quick response times. When we talk about OLED, that is organic LED, light emitted diode, they display high contrast ratios and good viewing angles it gives, making them a good choice for mobile phones. Actually, OLED, these days OLED is very popular. Then EPD is also there, that is electrophotic displays, and they are you can say they are reflective and use less power. And normal LED is simply the light emitting diode and displays they displays by emitting light when current passes through a group of closely spaced diodes. IoT displays can be used to display real-time data from IoT sensors or to provide a user interface for controlling IoT devices. For example, you could use an IoT display to keep track of the things like cricket scores, stock prices, or social media likes and all. Okay, without having to unlock your phone and open the app on the display, you will be getting these things. And these displays are reflective, which means they don't need the backlight for content to be visible, like making it visible in normal light. So they save energy. Then we are just coming to the conclusion of the sensors and actuators for now. So sensors and actuators are the backbone of the IoT system. Sensors collect data about the environment and actuators respond to that data. to control physical devices. But understanding the different types of sensors and actuators, you can build intelligent and automated system. Why you are studying this? To build automated system, to build better systems.